In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI video using Canva AI. Hello, my name is John and welcome. So guys, if you don't have a Canva account, go and sign up for one because you're going to need it for this tutorial. So once you have the account and log in, and I have a pro account. I think the free account has this option as well. So once you log in, on the left hand side you will see the Canva AI button. You click on it, and then you will see this page right here. The page will look like this, okay? And then since we want to generate video, you will click on create a video clip, okay? And then from here, what you need to do is to paste your prompt, okay? Whatever prompt you have, based on what video you want to create, you paste it here. I already have a prompt. I'm gonna paste it here. So that's my prompt right there. So basically, it's about a DJ, playing music and DJing, in a village in Africa, something like that. Okay, so you have other options here. You have the style, okay, or you have different styles here. You have anime styles, or cartoon, or cinematic, and all those stuff. Let's go for cinematic, okay. And then the aspect ratio is basically the video format. So this one is 1619 for YouTube. So it's selected. They don't have a short one yet. They say it's coming, as you can see. The duration is a second, okay? It's a second. They say the custom duration is coming as well. For the framing, we're gonna do wide shot. They have a different one here. You see close up shot, medium shot, top down shot, and all those stuff. They have that. So maybe let's do top down to see how it's gonna be, okay? And then for the lighting, they have different options there as well. They have a soft lighting, hard lighting, dark lighting, golden hours, cool night light. Let's do let's do soft lighting and see. Okay. So now we have it selected. Next thing we need to do is to click on the submit button. Okay, we'll see how it's gonna be. So I just click on it. So I don't know how long it takes. Sometimes it takes times, but we just have to be patient here till it generate the video. So I'm gonna pause the recording and then wait. Once it's done, I'll show you the result. So guys, this one is done. Let's see the results. So as you can see, the DJ is playing, there are people in the background dancing. So that's how you generate video clip in Canva. Right now, I think you can only generate 5 videos a month in the pro account. But I think they will change that later on. But that's really cool. Thanks for watching.